All right, I gave that live trade. It was put out there at $1.70 on that opening bell. They got hit in the heat of it. They were wholesale. They can't deny that I did not give them the right bid. Now they got to manage the risk. Put limit orders out to sell as Amazon finds support. These contracts closed. Now, $1.70, I'm right to the money. And you can't deny it. Huh? Well, I don't know where Amazon is trading. So, if you don't tell me if it's bouncing, if it's bouncing, then let's see if it can, where's the IR? Because you can put these out at 450 if we bounce. Put them out at 450 if we bounce. That's live here, MMT. I got you hooked. $1.70 low. You can't deny it. Now, what you got to do is Amazon has to keep burning off of that low. Watch the chart, watch the support levels, and see where we get that next bounce. See where we get it, 174.83. You're pulling back slightly. On which put? Weekly? Monthly. Well, that's right. Just making sure that you are there. All right, you're talking about these that I priced to the penny. All right, is that thing bouncing? Let's let it try to bounce. We got a good entry. This is live. MMTs, I did the best I could for you. So let's just see if we can get a bounce. We're going to conclude that super drop down bid here at the current level was at $1.70, and it was done in pre-market, and there was 6,100 traded. It closed at 22.06. It's a 2-3 2012 175 call. MMT got hooked, got out with a great substantial profit. We still will keep limit orders. We're going to watch the low to the bid and ask, and everything in where pullbacks are either going to make another series of higher highs from the lows, and we've had within the cycle ranges, we had 173 highs in 45 minutes or less, slightly less. And that is the key, and you had 107 lows. That's been that volatility, and you have a negative 3 delta. You have a 3 delta resistance level in your MMT platform, and it's a 46-minute opening bell update from that drop down of 172 to 176. The dollar pullback from that high in this period is to see how it performs in our application. And part of that is we're going to be watching where that underlying support level will come back into play. And what we're going to do here is we're just going to show what's going on here. And you can see the bottom. You can see the breakout bar, and you can clearly see this top that is getting put in finally, and that 10-minute is how those electronic machines ran it up to our delta reversal, and now we're below that. So now we're going to look to see what the dollar value reversal is going to be versus the upside. So basically, you're below 75, you're 3.18, that equals 50.91 teenies, which is equaling $18.77. So buying that dip and selling that rip, and that bottom and it coming back down, we're going to watch what if it's a 3 teeny, a 5 teeny, or 7 or 9 teeny reversal at 37 cents a teeny today. Tomorrow will be quite huge. And so the bottom up and the top down ranges is what we're going to monitor in the next hourly trade on Amazon.com. Once again, here is the bid and the ask. And we are below the 3 delta level. MMTs, there's your reversal. and it's below the 10-minute period moving average. So we've got a high 3 delta resistance level where prices hitting that level and then coming down, but then that the intraday pullback remains strong at 75, 74. It's a 3.17. There's a 3.78 here. Okay, that's your delta ranges. And you're getting a consolidation. And once again, it's the first hourly open bell, and we're almost 20 minutes into the second half an hour. So 50 minutes of price action has gone by in the time series element on this wonderful steal the beat 75.